Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add and rearrange pages in WordPress in just a few minutes. We'll start by accessing the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the WordPress address. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the login button. This is your gateway to managing your website content. After clicking login, you'll see several sign-in options. For convenience, select Continue with Google. A prompt will appear asking you to choose one of your Google accounts. Pick the account linked to your WordPress site. Logging in this way saves you from remembering another set of credentials and gets you into your dashboard quickly. Once signed in, navigate to the section where you manage your pages. Look for Pages in the dashboard menu. Here, every page on your website is listed, and this is also where you can add new pages or rearrange existing ones. To add a new page, click the Add Page button at the top. This opens a new page interface where you can enter the title and content of your page. Take a moment to think about the purpose and content of your page, as this will guide how you set it up. After adding a page, you may want to rearrange pages so they appear in the right order. Find the page you want to move and click Quick Edit. This opens a small set of options below the page title. Locate the order field. This number determines the sequence of pages with lower numbers appearing first. Adjust the number to place the page where you want it. Once you've set the order, click Update to save your changes. Your site will now reflect the new page arrangement. This step ensures your modifications are applied correctly and your website navigation is logical for visitors. Following these steps, from logging in to adding and rearranging pages, makes managing your WordPress site simple and efficient. Enjoy organizing your content and creating a user-friendly experience for your visitors. Happy rearranging!